Today I'm going to share with you some simple tips on how you can fake a clean house. Cleaning your bathroom mirrors. Nothing will make your entire bathroom look dirty more than dirty mirrors. If you have toothpaste marks or water spots on your mirrors, it's going to create the illusion that your entire bathroom is dirty. Keep your floors clean and debris free. Nothing will make your home look dirtier than having dirty floors with debris on them. It makes it look as if your whole room is unkept. Take time to dust. As long as your surfaces are dust free, it's going to create the illusion that your entire space is clean. And lastly, if you have magazines out on your coffee table, make sure that they're in a nice stack. Don't leave your items looking unruly.